What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the next video on learning jQuery. My name is QD Azani and you guys watching my channel Crywood. Alright, so in this video we're going to show you guys how we're going to hide this say paragraph and show this paragraph with the button. Say for example, if you have two buttons underneath, if you press hide, it's going to hide, and then if you press show, it's going to show the paragraph. We have already learned how to fade in, fade out, make some effects, and how to make delay our fade in our say for example photos, but we already know how to hide, and I'm going to show you guys how we're going to do that through the button. Alright, so now we're going to create here the two buttons, for example. So we're going to put our buttons, say for example this button, and this button is going to hide paragraph. We just put a hide and we put some sort of ID here. Our ID is going to be hide p our hide say for example hide button. Alright, so now we're going to put another button here, and this button is going to be show. So now we're going to show here, we're going to put our ID here, and our ID is going to be show. Okay, so now if you check, we have two buttons here. There we have a hide. You guys can put a nice CSS. You guys can put make it big or put a color, but that's pretty much fine. It's going to do the job. So if I toggle, say for example back and forth, it's going to hide it for me, it's going to show it for me. Alright, so now we're going to go here in our practice.js. Then what we're going to do, we're going to add some lines of code. Put a document dot ready, and then we do function. Okay, so now here we're going to do exactly the same ones as we put first of all we could put our say for example this guy here. We're going to put our hide. We're going to put this ID. You can put the ID of say for example hide, and then dot click function. If what happens when the user clicks this hide function, and we're going to do exactly the opposite ones. You guys can copy this one and we can put it here, but in this case it's going to be show. Alright, so now we have put it here. Don't worry about this, we are not going to look at this. We're going to look at this document.ready function. When everything is ready, and when the user clicks this hide, then we're going to do something. Then when the user clicks this show, we're going to do something. Where is this hide and show? There is a buttons here. The first one is a hide and the second one is show. When the user clicks this button hide, what's going to happen? Then when the user clicks this show, what's going to happen? Because hide should hide this paragraph, show to show this paragraph. You can put a photo, no problem. It's going to be the same method. You can put a photo, h1, whatever you guys going to put it, and the background is going to do the magic. Alright, so now we're gonna go here, and when the user clicks this hide, then we're going to target this paragraph. So we're going to put a dollar, and we're going to put our p, because we have a p tag, dot hide. Simple as that. And on the opposite, when the user clicks the show, then what we're going to do is that we're going to show. Very easy. So this is a paragraph dot show, for example. This is inbuilt jQuery function. When the user clicks this hide button, it should hide the paragraph, and when the user at the same time when the user clicks this show, it should show this paragraph. Alright, so now we're gonna save all, refresh, and now we're gonna press the hide. It is hidden, it's gone. And now when press show, show. Now we press hide, it's gone. Now press show, show. How cool is this? Very easy, just a few lines of code. I'm going to recap this one again. We don't worry about this style. I'm going to close it down. So we already have paragraph here. We have added two buttons. The first one is hide, we put our ID hide. The second one is show, we put our ID show. So we're going to go here, we're going to put our document ready, because J says jQuery. When everything is ready, the DOM tree is ready, then we're going to go, everything's ready, up and running. Then we're going to go here, we're going to target the first one, the hide, this ID of hide. And this one, what happens when there is a click, user clicks this one, then we're going to say jQuery paragraph, do the paragraph, hide the paragraph. What happens when the user clicks this show, the paragraph should show. Simple as that. So we're going to save all. We're going to come here and look at this, is hidden and is shown. It's hidden and it's shown. That's how you guys gonna do. You can put a nice CSS here, you can put a say wider, bigger, whatever, but for the purposes of this video, this is pretty much fine, because this is an event and you're looking here, this is a JavaScript event, because when you guys gonna put it hide and show with the JavaScript, you guys need to put a lot of lines of code just for this one, but with jQuery you guys just need to put just a few, 2 lines here and 2 lines here. You guys need to target this one, show, hide, and you guys need to target the show. Simple as that. So this is the hide and show, and it's hidden and it's shown. This is hide and show in jQuery. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you guys have any question or comment, leave in comment box. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.